Okay, let's come over and have a look at CL this morning. Excuse me. So I think CL is the most likely scenario in CL is we've got an A, B, C up here, and that's the 4, this 4 here, and we're still going to drop down to this 68.90 to 69.11 area, and it looks to me like that's again just to make life tough all round. That's unfolding as a final diagonal. I'm personally going to wait before trading CL for a hit down here and look for the long trade for the rest of the of this wave 5 up into the high 70s. So although unfortunately it invalidated the impulse, it's a reasonably clean moves on the way up, or subwaves on the way up. So if we can come down, hit the 764, 786 cluster and hold them, then fairly small positions all you need in futures for a move like that, and looking for that 78 area up at the top in CL next. NG this morning at the moment is picture perfect. If I just take you through the daily chart, so we had this hit last week right on that 786 retrace of this move down, potentially to complete all of the B wave. We now need to see further downside action to prove that. We've got a leading diagonal off the top initially, and what we were looking for yesterday was this move back up here to hit and hold a fib. We've done just that. What I now need to see is the 3, 4, 5 for the initial wave 1 down complete, and these levels and fibs are correct on the charts that I posted in the forum this morning for each of those subwaves. So we're going to start by taking out 3140 again and continuing on past 3084, which is the 1.0 extension. But if we just come down the timescales, you can see that overnight we've had an exact hit on the 764 retrace of this, and we're coming down reasonably strongly. So we're going to take this out next and carry on down here and take these levels out along the way on the hourly chart. And then just zooming that right into a 15-minute chart. Excuse me. There's the hit right in our target zone, right at the fib, which is encouraging. This should all be part of the 1 of the next leg down. So if we can complete 5 down, 3 back on this leg, that sets up a really nice either short-term swing trade or at least intraday setups for us to day trade with. And day trading wise, we've taken out the blue line. We're just about at the orange line now. So it's given you an entry at 32.40, or if you were nimble this morning, 32.53, in order to get short already and take a scalp for the morning.